Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Artery Anatomy. 15 questions and answers. Can you tell me the abbreviation for the Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Artery? Remember this. The Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Artery is commonly abbreviated as AICA. Do you know from which artery the Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Artery arises? The Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Artery arises from the Basilar artery. Are there two Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries? Yes, there are two Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries. What do the Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries supply? The Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries supply part of the cerebellum. Do the Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries supply the whole cerebellum? No, the Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries do not supply the entire cerebellum. What parts of the cerebellum are supplied by the Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries? The Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries supply the cerebellum's anterior inferior quarter. Is the anteroinferior surface of the cerebellum supplied by the Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries? Yes, the anteroinferior surface of the cerebellum is supplied by the Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries. Please confirm if the Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries are connected to other arteries through anastomosis. The Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries do connect with other arteries. Which arteries anastomose with the Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries? Posterior inferior cerebellar branches of the vertebral arteries anastomose with the Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries. In addition to the Anterior Inferior quarter of the cerebellum, do Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries supply the flocculus? Yes, in addition to the Anterior Inferior quarter of the cerebellum, Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries supply the flocculus. Do Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries also supply the infralateral portion of the pons? Yes, in addition to the Anterior Inferior quarter of the cerebellum, the Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries supply the infralateral portion of the pons. In addition to the Anterior Inferior quarter of the cerebellum, do Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries supply the middle portion of the Cerebellopeduncle? Yes, in addition to the Anterior Inferior quarter of the cerebellum, the Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries supply the middle portion of the Cerebellopeduncle. Do Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries give off branches? Yes, the Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Arteries give off branches. Guess how many branches the Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Artery gives off. The Anterior Inferior Cerebellar Artery gives off 3 branches. What are the names of the three branches that originate from the anterior inferior cerebellar artery? The three branches originating from the anterior inferior cerebellar artery are lateral auditory branch, lateral branch, and medial branch.